Welcome to our guide on how to discover who views your Facebook profile. While there is no direct way to view each individual name, we will explore some indirect methods. Let's start. Step 1. Open Facebook on your device. Step 2. Navigate to your personal profile. Step 3. Select the three dots icon next to the Edit Profile section. Step 4. Select Turn On in the Turn On Professional Mode section right above your profile link. Follow Facebook's instructions to turn it on. Step 5. Rerun the application and return to your profile to see the See Dashboard section. Step 6. When you navigate to the See Dashboard, you will see all the profile parameters. From Insights, Followers, Reach, Second Video Views, etc. Select See All to take a closer look at that function. Recently I introduced to you an interesting function on Facebook, right? Thanks for watching and see you in the next better videos.